You. Bit of a rub-a-dub-dub. Yeah, I don't want to leave it too long. Because it'll be harder to wipe off. Always concentrating on my lines. No, it might. No, I don't have to grout stick that. Just fill that hole. Get rubbing, dude. Okay, what I'm doing here is I've left a little bit of water in my sponge. It wipes it off, gets it off easier. It needs a little bit more water. The ones in the that I did a couple of weeks ago, they were easier to wipe off than this. I don't know why. A different edge. But that's cool. It's coming out a treat. A little bit of glue. Yeah, leave a little bit more water on your sponge. People, you can see that I haven't, you know, it's not bloody going everywhere. Water's not going everywhere. Bit of glue. Cool bananas. Where's my grout? Yep, they can, what's today, Friday? They can get the plumber in Monday. Chris, my screen guy, I had him contact Mark, the owner, Matthew, the owner. And he's coming in the next day or two to fit the screen. It's just a sheet of glass, easy peasy, a quick 250 bucks for putting it up. An hour's work, done and dusted and gone and on to the next. So yeah, if you want to make money, I reckon there's money in, well, there's money in tiling. There's money in fitting screens too, I reckon. But you'd lose a bit of time, downtime travelling from job to job. That's why they charge for it, I suppose. Take an hour to get here and 10 minutes to fit the screen. Hey, I like it. Okay people, I'll mix up some more grout and whack that in. I'll clean off the floor and grout that off too. I better wipe that up. We'll see you soon. Ciao. See ya.